Warmly welcome you to visit our factory, Henry Intelligent Block Machine Manufacturer. Um, how did you get our contact from internet?
I get your contact in YouTube.
Okay.
Yes, because I see a lot of your video, and then I appreciate the machine. Then I contact you, and now I'm in your factory, and I'm very happy to be here because I see the machine. The work is good. The machine is good, and I'm proud.
Okay, thank you so much for your kind feedback on our machinery. And now you are interested for a soil interlocking brick machine. And for now in Cameroon, the market of the soil interlocking bricks is just a new one. Compared with the concrete hollow block production business. The soil interlocking brick business should be the how to say I think have a bright future, bright market in the future. So uh, what we can do is after you checked and checked our machine and inspect the quality of the machine. What's your opinion on the how to say on the design or the fabrication? Do you have any ideas or suggestion on
Mm,
our brick machine?
actually, I'm not an expert in construction machine,
Yeah.
brake machine, but I'm a sourcing agent. It's a product for my customer, and then I'm here to expect the machine, and I know the fabrication is good. I went to many factory, and I think your factory you are very professional. The finishing of the machine is kind of very good, and I can advise many people to contact you.
Re-
Yeah.
Really. So, and I want to say thank you so much for your kindness to try to advise more and more customer to to maybe make a cooperation with our company. Uh, so what we can do is we will promise you to manufacture the good quality of the machine for you for this this particular product, and also we will try our best to give you the very good service after sale and give you the complete the menu for the maintenance before after you receive the machine. So do you have confidence to expand your business of the interlocking bricks in the future?
It will depend of the quality of the machine,
Yep.
but here I'm here, and you test the machine, and I see the quality is good. Because the quality is good, I think we will expand the business.
Yep.
The performance of the machine will be very good, I think, and the customer will appreciate.
Yeah.
And then the next order, as I can tell you, will be more machine.
One machine and very
Yeah,
soon, huh?
yes, and very
Okay.
soon, of course.
Okay. Thank you very much for
Yes,
your
it's me. I
yeah
thank you. The
for your
quality
time
of
and
the
for the
machine
interview.
and the price. Also, the price is also very good,
Yep.
and that is a good thing. The
Okay.
quality and the price is there, so I'm very happy. Happy for
It's our
me.
pleasure. It's our pleasure.
Yes, and I think we will be partner in the
Yep.
future.
Yep. So
Yeah,
yeah.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mhm. 力了。hydroform